Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting. How to subscribe to Snapchat Plus on your iPhone in 2025. If you're tired of the basic Snapchat features and want access to exclusive perks like custom app icons, advanced filters, and priority story replies, this is the tutorial for you. It's quick, easy, and we'll have you subscribed in no time. First things first, make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version from the App Store. This is crucial because Snapchat Plus features might not work on older versions. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone and open the Snapchat app. You'll see the familiar camera interface. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner to go to your account page. Once you're there, look for the Snapchat Plus banner or section, which should be prominently displayed near the top. If you don't see it, try scrolling down or checking under Settings. Step 2. Tap on the Snapchat Plus option. This will take you to a page explaining all the awesome benefits and subscription plans available. Snapchat Plus typically offers monthly or annual options, so choose what fits your budget. For example, the monthly plan might cost around $3.99, while the annual one saves you money in the long run. Next, select your preferred plan and hit the Subscribe button. Step 3. You'll be prompted to confirm your payment method. If you're using Apple Pay or a linked card, it should be straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions to enter your details if needed. Snapchat will handle the billing through your iPhone's secure payment system. Once you confirm, you'll get a notification that your subscription is active. Finally, head back to the main app to start enjoying your new features. If you run into any issues, like payment errors, double-check your app settings or contact Snapchat support. There you have it. That's how you subscribe to Snapchat Plus on your iPhone in 2025. It's that simple. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.